Are you tired of diving into a pool that resembles a swamp more than a sparkling oasis? Fear not, fellow pool owners. The days of laboriously skimming, brushing, and vacuuming are over. In this guide, we're unveiling the best pool cleaners that will leave your pool glistening like a diamond under the summer sun. So grab your sunscreen and let's dive into the world of effortless pool maintenance, where you can spend more time splashing and less time scrubbing. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5. Pool Blaster Max, our pick for best manual pool cleaner. Are you tired of wrestling with tangled hoses while trying to keep your pool sparkling clean? Enter the Pool Blaster Max. This cordless marvel is your new best buddy for pool cleaning without busting your budget. Sure, it might call for a little more elbow grease than the snazzier models, but at roughly half the price, it's a steal worth grabbing, with a rechargeable battery that gives you up to an hour of uninterrupted cleaning. It's perfect for tackling everything from tiny dirt particles to those sneaky twigs that think they can crash your pool party. Its sleek 10.5-inch vacuum head glides effortlessly, even around tricky steps and awkward corners, making your cleaning routine feel less like a chore and more like a refreshing splash. Now, let's be real. It might not win any beauty contests, and it won't come with a fancy pool pole, but don't let its plasticky appearance throw you off. This little warrior has shown resilience over 6 months of heavy-duty use. Plus, its generously sized debris chamber means fewer interruptions for emptying, unless you count the minor chore of cleaning the filter, which does require a bit of hosing. While it may not deep clean as effectively as the top-tier models, it's your go-to for speedy touch-ups between swim sessions. Dive into the world of cordless convenience and make pool cleaning a breeze. Number 4. Hayward the Pool Cleaner, our pick for best wall climbing pool cleaner. Are you tired of battling the relentless onslaught of leaves, dirt, and various underwater villains lurking in your pool? Enter the Hayward Vergnugen Pool Cleaner, your new best friend in the fight against muck. With this cleaning powerhouse, you can bid farewell to debris and hello to crystal clear waters. Thanks to its super strong treads, this little hero navigates effortlessly, climbing walls like a champion ninja while cleaning every inch of your pool. You might even start to feel like a poolside superhero yourself as it tackles dirt, sand, and leaves with unwavering determination. Sure, the cleaning process takes a bit longer than other gadgets, but with results this sparkling, who's complaining? And let's talk about the self-adjusting turbine. It's like having a mini pool maintenance wizard at your service. It deftly handles clogs and large messes, seamlessly switching between 3 suction levels. With dimensions of 40.4 by 13.6 by 11.9 inches and a light weight of just 4.9 pounds, it's perfectly suited for pools up to 32 feet. So get ready to dive into the refreshing clarity of your pool without lifting a finger. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to leisure. Your pool will be so pristine, you might just throw a party in its honor. Still on the hunt for that ideal pool cleaner? No worries. More gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3. Aiper Scuba S1, our pick for best cordless pool cleaner. Are you fed up with tangles that could rival a spaghetti dinner and scrubbing your pool like it's a chore? Well, meet your new aquatic ally, the Aiper Scuba S1 pool cleaner. With a battery that lasts a jaw-dropping 150 minutes, this little dynamo takes the work out of your pool time so you can focus on, well, poolside lounging. You'll love its 4 groovy cleaning modes: auto, eco, floor only, or wall only, allowing you to tailor its performance to your whims. And don't worry about it skipping the drama of pool maintenance. This gadget scales walls like it's training for the Olympics, leaving your tiles and debris in the dust while competitors are still stuck on the bottom. Best of all, after 3 months of hard-hitting cleaning, it looks as fresh as that new sunscreen you just bought. No nicks or scrapes to be found. Just a pristine powerhouse, ready to tackle whatever muck you throw its way. Now, sure, it weighs in at 20 pounds, so pulling it back out of the pool might make you break a sweat. Who needs a gym when you have pool cleaning? But hey, Consider it an added bonus workout. Stylish, efficient, and cleverly designed, the Aiper Scuba S1 is your personal pool superhero. Now all that's left to do is decide which refreshing drink to sip next. Cheers to effortless pool care! Number 2, Polaris Vac-Sweep 280, our pick for best pressure pool cleaner. Are you tired of waging war against leaves, debris, and the occasional mysterious creature at the bottom of your pool? Say hello to your new best friend, the Polaris Pressure Pool Cleaner. This little dynamo doesn't just rely on good looks, it's armed with dual jets and a booster pump, ready to tackle every ancient twig and pesky critter lurking in your aquatic paradise. Setting this game changer up takes mere minutes, and before you know it, your pool will be sparkling in about 3 hours. Just enough time for a quick snack or to perfect that cannonball technique you've been working on. With a design that glides gracefully over stairs and walls, it won't get stuck like your old vacuum did on the rug. We all know how annoying that is. But wait, there's more. You can schedule cleanings and adjust settings right from your phone. Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to the future of pool maintenance. And when it comes to cleaning the Polaris, easy peasy. Just detach that spacious filter bag, and bam, you're golden. So why not welcome a reliable partner to help keep your pool looking pristine? With the Polaris, you're investing in exceptional performance at an average price. Trust us, your future self will be super grateful. Poolside lounging has never felt so good. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1, Dolphin Nautilus CC+, our pick for best pool cleaner overall. Are you tired of your in-ground pool looking like a swamp? Say hello to your new best friend, the Dolphin robotic cleaner. This little marvel is like having a pool fairy at your service, minus the wings and the glitter. You simply drop it in, plug it in, and voila. While you're lounging with a drink, it's hard at work tackling the mess below. Forget the days of wrestling with awkward hoses or worrying if your regular vacuum is secretly plotting against you. This gadget is equipped with smart navigation technology, deftly climbing walls and sniffing out debris like a ninja. Watch out, sneaky leaves, you won't escape its watchful eye. Now let's keep it real. It's not without its quirks. Yes, it's a bit of an investment, and don't expect to control it via an app just yet. Oh, and that cord? It might turn your pool into an unintentional game of Twister if you're not careful. But what's life without a little challenge, right? After 4 months of making a splash, this gem is still on point, zapping away leaves and grime as if it were day one. If you're ready to elevate your pool game and reclaim those precious hours that would otherwise be spent cleaning, the Dolphin robotic cleaner is calling your name. Dive in. Your pool deserves to shine. And that's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best pool cleaners as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.